daylight? Do they trade silk for the sunlight? Or do they find that little blue light in every sky? What happens to old strippers? Do they keep on dancing? Do they turn these kitchen tiles to a private mansion? Spinning in the fridge glow, hair up, sweat wet glancing. What happens to old strippers? They keep on dancing, they keep on dancing. She's the aunt with the loud laugh, tells the truth, cuts it in half, says, I learned to walk in 10-inch glass. Showed the kids how to stand tall, balance fear, never fall. Always leave when they think you'll crawl. Do they miss the velvet curtains? Do they still feel hands that hurt them? Or do they shake it off certain they survive? What happens to old strippers? Do they keep on dancing? Oh yeah. Do they trade that single stage for a whole expansion? Spinning in the laundry room, turn the spin to an anthem. What happens to old strippers? They keep on dancing, they keep on dancing. She counts scars like souvenirs, turns shame into chandeliers. Every tip I ever touched, paid my way up out of here. Hands up for the women who change names, change venues, still sway when the rent's due. What happens to old strippers? Do they keep on dancing? Do they turn those grocery lines into slow burn glances? Spinning with their grandkids, laugh drunk, soft prancing. What happens to old